CIFE going to organize the ornamental fish fair, first time in the history of CIFE, on 10 and 11 January 2026. The objective of this fish fair is to promoting the aquarium hobby and display of colorful fishes, creating science awareness among the students, R&D on ornamental fishes, hands-on training and demonstration on aquarium making, landscape, aquarium management. So, giving a brief history, a brief note about the ornamental fish trade. On the world itself, 1,539 species are available. In India itself, on 374 freshwater ornamental fish species are available, while 700 species from the marine ornamental fishes. Coming to Maharashtra, 96 freshwater ornamental fishes are available locally, and 38 vendors are cultivating they are involved in this ornamental fish trade, and 305 farmers are involved in the ornamental fish trade. 175 aquarium shops are there, and 90% of the exports are from Calcutta. Whereas from Mumbai or from Mumbai, 8% of the total ornamental trade is exported from Mumbai, only 2% from the Chennai. So totally India contributes to the world around 0.1% of the total export value. So what is the main purpose? That we will invite all the fish traders to one place that is going to be organized first time, where CIFE along with our students, all the fish traders will be there. They will organize, and the students will showcase their innovative activities to making the aquarium, innovative aquariums, and how to establish this aquarium business, and to know more about the exports oriented issues related to the aquarium. And they will interact, they will get to interact with different traders, that may be, that is feed, that may be these toys making companies, that may be with aquarium landscaping, and the export agencies, so that they will get the overall idea about how to go ahead with the ornamental fish business. So this program is going to be organized with CIFE and NFDB, National Fishery Development Board, Hyderabad, and Maharashtra Aquaculture Farmers Association, and Indian Fishery Association, along with all other sponsors from the involved in this ornamental fish trade. So this program will be open for the publics. It will be for 2 days programs. Public will come with their family. I think it is a good opportunity for the Mumbaikar to enjoy the fish, ornamental fish hobbies, ornamental fish along with their families, and it will be a good time for all the public to enjoy. I hope this program will be enjoyable for the family, and it will be a learning experience for the students. Thank you very much.